Hello everyone and welcome to another crewjohn.com introduction video. Today we will be looking at the phonics section of my website. This is a free resource to help your student learn how to read. So please, if your student does not know all of the sounds of the alphabet, if they cannot read easy three-letter words, we need to start here. And it's very important that they practice. So let's begin and click on the Play Phonics picture. This will bring you to our phonics page. I have many different quizzes in my phonics section. We will start out in the alphabet phonics section. Here we see I have 4 quizzes to help you learn all of the sounds of the alphabet. There are 2 quizzes that I think are the most important: the ABC Soup quiz and the Short Vowels quiz. Let's look at the ABC Soup quiz first. We will click Enter, and then here just click No. Okay, so here we see 3 letters on the side, and it plays a sound of one of the letters. I heard K, which is a K sound. So we drag the letter into the pot and we hit submit. Now we can listen to the sound again if you want to. Then hit continue. Duh. Alright, so it's just like this. This is a great way for your student to practice the sounds of the alphabet. If your student cannot read easy words or doesn't know the sound of a letter, have them practice every day. They will get better, I promise. Next, this is a skill that even students who are good at reading need to practice. This is the Short Vowels quiz. In this quiz, we learn how to hear the difference between the short vowel sounds. This is so difficult for even some of my best students to hear the difference. I heard so that I know that's an I sound. I heard an so I know that's an E sound. Okay, so there's 25 questions. I guarantee this will be difficult for almost every student. So even students who are good at reading, I want you to practice this. Okay? So this is an introduction to the phonics section of my website. You can go back to this page and check out all of the different quizzes that I have. I've got lessons, I've got quizzes, I've got other vocabulary quizzes, I've got readings that they can do. This is so much content that you can practice at home and get better at reading. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.